Hello and welcome to this new and exciting tutorial where we are going to be learning how to use Be Human AI. Be Human AI helps to personalize your video experiences. For instance, if you want to send a video to 10 clients, one called John, the other one called Jane, the other called Tom, all you need to do with Be Human is to just record one video, just leaving the space for the name. And then once you put your video on Be Human, it will clone your voice, and then all those people will be addressed by their name, such that it will say something like, "Hi John, thank you for contacting us." And then when it's sending the same message to Mary, it will simply say, "Hi Mary, thank you for contacting us." And all these Be Human AI will do by cloning your voice. So to use Be Human, you simply go to bhuman.ai, and that link is available in the description of this video. If I click on pricing and then come down here, you notice the pricing. It starts from free to around $150 per month. And then of course the features, you can see the features here. So you click on sign up or login at the top here, and then you put your email, receive a code, complete the questions, and it brings you to this home page. So to use this, you notice we have several things here. We have the AI studio on the left hand side here. Then we have the persona. Then we have the reader, which is at the beta stage. And then we have the agency and other details here, including the community, where you can get more details and discussions. And then we have your profile, and then the settings are down here. Now, to create a video, you can watch these tutorials, and you can also clone yourself. So you simply click on create so that you can create a video. You can then start with a template. A template is the base video, and they'll personalize that. And then you can start from the community, or you can hire an actor. So I'll click on my videos, and then you select one of the options here. This is your first video, in this case showing one videos. So you can click on create new. Once you do that, you are going to put your instance name here. So I'm going to call the instance name here Joel, and then you click on next, and then you get the video method. You can either use the easy or advanced mode, or you can simply upload a recording in the advanced mode. So with this one, you simply record here directly. So you click on that, record here. And then with the easy mode, you can personalize the first name only, but with the advanced mode, you can personalize any variables for advanced users. For instance, the easy mode will only change the name of the person. For instance, "Hi John, thank you for contacting." "Hi John, thank you for contacting us." "Hi Mary, thank you for contacting us." So you notice it is only changing the first name. With advanced one, you can personalize different variables so that you can maybe change the name of the person for each video, and then different details. So let's use the easy mode, but that's the difference between the easy mode and the advanced mode. That's the difference between the easy mode and the advanced mode. You can choose the language here. You notice currently it is in English, and I'll keep it English. So I'll click on easy mode. Here, this is where you generate your script. In case you don't have a script, this is where you can generate a script, and it's very easy. Generate a script for, then you type here whatever script you want generated. For instance, you want a script for welcoming people to your business, or maybe welcoming new members for a subscription or something like that. So you'll type here, welcoming new members for a subscription, and then the call to action, you get on a call with a 15 minutes demo or whatever it is. So you'll type here, welcoming new members for a subscription, and then the call to action, you get on a call with a 15 minutes demo or whatever it is. Then you click on generate new script. So with that, you'll be able to get a script. You notice it's generating a script. And there it is. You notice we now have our script here. Welcome to our exclusive subscription service community. Welcome to our exclusive subscription community. We are thrilled to have you on board. So you can use this script. So, but in case you don't want to use that script, maybe you have your own, you click on skip. And then Be Human will need to use your camera. So you need to allow it. So you'll need to allow it here to use your camera. Then you have to wait for 1 second. You notice this notification here. Wait for 1 second after recording begins. Then when you hear a beep, start reading the script without the need to say hi first name. So you click on allow here so that it can now be allowed to use the audio device, that is both the camera and the mic, but I'll blur my face for the purpose of this video. You click on this button here and then you start recording. Then it counts down 2, 3, 1. Then the beep is there. Then I now record and say, thank you for joining our service. We highly appreciate that you could do this for us. Thanks again, Jane, for being a royal customer. After that, I'll click on stop. And then I'll click on save. And now it is uploading. And in case you want to delete the video, you can click on delete. If you want to play the video and see how it is, you can click on play here. In this case, the video is okay, so I'll just give it time to upload. Once the upload is complete, you will click on finish here, finish. And there it is. Now you can preview a sample or you can create a new campaign. So we can add the variables here, the variables that we want to change. For instance, name. If you click here, you notice we only have name, because with the free version, you can only change one variable, which is just the name. But with other versions, with the other premium paid account, you can change so many other things about it. So in this case, we can only change that. We can only change the name here. So after this now, I'll click on create new campaign. So, and with that now, in case we had paid for other things, then we would just have changed the variable here and put the different names. Then our voice could be cloned. In this case, we only have one variable to change, and then so we can change the name here. And then after that now, once those videos are generated, you can now share them with your clients, either on your platforms, social media platforms, and all that. So that is how you simply use Bhuman.ai. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.